Woo! 17 miles in the books on a Thursday. Super solid run today. I'm gonna throw the map up here, splits up here, and today was just one of those days where it was a super solid run and my legs are moving and moving and moving. And next thing you know, I'm 10 miles in. I look down at my watch, I'm like, whoa, I am booking it. And when I hit the half marathon mark, I was actually at 1:59.21, which is actually 3 minutes and 4 seconds faster than where I was at last week, because last week was 2:02.25 at that same point. And I'm just super happy about it because I've never really timed my half marathon. Now I'm wondering what my half marathon would look like if I went balls to the walls. But I mean, it was only sub 2, but it was sub 2 on my training run, and my training runs are only going to get longer. So after that 13 miles, 13.1 miles, I did slow down just a little bit, as you can tell by the splits. The last like 4 miles, I think I did like 10 minutes to 10:30s. So I just feel really good today, and I'm super excited today actually because I am working on the follow-up video of the YouTube things that I've been doing to grow my channel. So I'm gonna keep this video pretty short because I want to get this video out by the afternoon, and then hopefully get that video out by 6-7 p.m. latest Pacific Standard Time. And I'm just super excited for life. I'm pumped for life. As I said before in a couple of my other videos, because I tend to repeat the same things that I say because I feel what I feel, and I feel good, and I just feel like everything is kind of lining up, and you know, it's just amazing. I'm see what happens when I record right after I run. Like everything, it's like ah. And since I've had a couple people ask me about my hydration vest, I got it off Amazon. It's AONIJIE, and this is the one that comes with the 2 small water bottles and the water bottle pockets in the front. I like it a lot just because I've gotten used to it. This is the only running pack that I've ever had or have had experience with, and it does everything that I needed to do. Granted, I live really close to where I run, so I usually pop in and out of my house just to refuel. So I really only carry like this much water with me at a time. And I typically don't need water unless it's a super long run. So like on today's run, I popped in twice, once to feed my cats around 8 a.m. and then fill up my water bottle again. And then I came back later on after like mile 14 just to fill it up and then grab some food as well. I ended up eating a little bit of watermelon, but I like this vest. It's actually pretty cheap compared to some of the other vests, and this brand actually is off of Amazon. I'm not sure if I said that already, but it's one of those brands that it's made from China, and if you just look up the brand, there's very similar vests that are from a different brand, but it's the same manufacturer. So like this one has a little bit bigger of a name, but honestly all the other vests are, I'm pretty sure they're identical. And I would recommend this one that has only 1 pocket, not 2. I got the one with 2, but I usually just put my phone on this pocket. It's actually like $7 cheaper if you just get the one with the 1 pocket. And if I could redo it again, I'd probably just get the one with the 1 pocket, because this still has like pockets to put your phone in, and the one with the 1 water bottle pocket has the pockets to put the phone in, and it has here, and it's just super simple. I'm not sure if I want to take this channel on like a reviews type of channel. I mean, yeah, I think I should, because it helps with like the searchability type of videos of where people can search reviews of certain products, and those videos tend to do well because people keep going back after it, and it just helps with your watch time and your views and everything like that. My style is more of vlog style, like, hey, I did this today. So those views are only usually good for like that day or the day that the next couple days. So I'm definitely going to mix it up just to have some different types of videos. And actually that'll be something that I'll be going into in the video that's coming out later today, because some of my other videos that I filmed like a year ago, those are still my like most popular videos, my jiu-jitsu videos. But that's besides the point. Thanks for sticking around this long. Thanks for listening to me ramble. All right, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. Please do so. It would really help me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you all later today.